Good afternoon, everyone. Do you know what this is? This is the speaker that I ripped it out of my mom's car. She still doesn't know, so let's keep it that way. But did you know this speaker hasn't changed since it was invented 100 years ago? Speakers can be found in any and every product around us, from cell phones, laptop, TVs, car, but it has maintained the same conical structure all this time and forced us to choose either a product that is designed around the structure or a product with poor sound quality, like our cell phone speakers. My name is Brian Cho. I'm the co-founder and CEO of Resonado, and today we are introducing you to the next generation speaker technology to solve this problem. Patented flat core speaker technology. We are rethinking the core mechanism behind how the sound is produced by rearranging the internal components that constitute a speaker design. With our technology, we can make speakers into any shape imaginable while substantially reducing the overall size and weight of the product, yet maximizing the efficiency of the sound performances. With our technology, we can make your cell phone sound better, your car lighter and more spacious, and turn any furniture in your living room into a smart speaker. We address $16 billion global market by providing corporate clients with our unique products. With 7 LOIs that represent $3 million in potential revenue, we are truly positioned to disrupt the market. Our team consists of Notre Dame engineers, a serial entrepreneur with multiple hardware exits, a trusted manufacturing partner, and an advisor who's credited with the development of Beats headphone and many products by Apple and Adobe. In 10 days, Resonado will be making a debut on a national television through our exclusive partnership with the global brand, replacing its current partner, Bose. 5 million people every week will be watching programs featuring Resonado branded products for the entire season. But we're just getting started. Just like Intel inside every consumer product, Resonado will be inside every speaker product, ushering in an iconic change to this industry. Now, when you go home today, ask your kids and grandkids where the save icon is coming from. The chances are that they have no idea what a floppy disk is. I've never even seen one myself. When you go home tomorrow and ask your kids where the volume icon is coming from, the chances are that they will have no idea, as they will have grown up with Resonado's flat core speaker technology. Thank you, and please come talk to us if you're interested in being part of this journey.